So you can make from 30K to 350K on YouTube and you don't have to film anything. Ready to learn the new money-making method? Let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about how you can make 30K or more per month by re-uploading videos. Make sure you watch till the end, so you don't miss any of the details. You won't need a camera for this. You don't need to film anything, and you won't even need to show your face. This is a totally new strategy for 2021 that I've never shared before. This will make you thousands of views per month, which can transform into decent passive income. So, if you're willing to learn and grow, you're going to be able to make big money in no time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell. Let's take this channel as an example. It makes from 30K to 300K per month with millions of views. You can create the exact same kind of videos and I am going to show you how. The channel concentrates on riddles with some animations in the background. I want you to remember how these animations look like, because I am going to show you how to make the same yourself without drawing or animating skills. Now this channel covers some interesting riddles like you can see on their thumbnails. There are some advanced animations that are hard to copy. But keep in mind that I told you it's not as complicated as you might think. Now let's check another channel called Brightside. They have 42.5 million subscribers. They publish lots of videos per day. They make from $260K to $1.8 million per month. I will show you what they are doing, and you'll do the exact same thing. You can also join this niche and start making lots of money. I'm about to show you the exact software they use in order to make these animations. Take a look at this video. To copy the same style of video, we need to find 21 riddles. Go to Google and search for interesting riddles and you will find thousands of riddles, meaning we can create dozens of videos like this. These guys are doing many videos per day because they are a YouTube business. You must choose who you want to be. A YouTube business or a YouTube channel. If you are a YouTube business, then the first thing I recommend is hiring experts to create the videos for you. Go on Fiverr and type video editing. One of the first things that pop up is the exact same design you've seen on the Brightside videos. All you have to do is hire a freelancer to copy Brightside's video style. If you have the budget to spend money on script writing, voiceover and editing, then do that because that money will pay back to you once you start making money on YouTube. However, if you are still at the beginning of your journey, then you have to do all the work yourself, meaning you're a YouTube channel. But you came here to make money, not to do voiceover. So now, I am going to show you how to do all that by yourself. To do the voiceover, you can use text-to-speech. It is totally fine, and you'll see many channels that are monetized and use text-to-speech. It is easy to learn as well. Again, you could simply hire a scriptwriter, a voiceover artist, an animator, and a thumbnail creator all on Fiverr. And that's what you're going to do when you have a YouTube business. But let me show you how you could do this by yourself and what software you can use. Now before I reveal the main secret, make sure you subscribe, like and share the video. Now let's hit renderforest.com and click on create a video. You'll see different templates pop up. But do you notice that they're exactly the same as the one you saw on Brightside? You can go through the templates on this website and learn how to create a video from them. A lot of people use this software because it's so easy to learn and use. You can make different animations and you can even add background music. Eventually you can create the whole video here. The great thing about this is that you can use the free version or a premium for a little money. You can use the link in the description to visit the website or purchase one of their subscriptions. So let's sum up the whole process of how this method works. First of all, you create a channel based on riddles and interesting facts. Then you have to do the script narration, video and thumbnail. Finally, you'll publish your videos consistently. It's as simple as that. If you don't like this method, then make sure to check my other methods where I show unique ways to earn thousands of dollars on YouTube per month. Again, link to Render Forest will be in the description below, go check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.